Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to use Viggle AI. Viggle AI is an AI-powered tool that lets you create animations by combining character images with motion videos. You can easily use it in your browser without installing anything. Here's how to use Viggle AI on your computer. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Viggle AI. Now, click on the first link that appears in the search results to go to the official Viggle AI website. Here, click on Try on Web to start using the tool. Next, you'll need to sign up. You can use your Google account, Apple account, or even sign up with your email. If you choose Google, select your Google account, and then click on Continue. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu and click on Mix. Here, you'll see two options: motion and character. Start with motion, click on Upload under the motion section. You can drag and drop a video or simply click on Upload. Now select a video file from your computer and click on Open. After the motion video is uploaded, go to the character section. Click on Upload, then choose a character image or video from your computer, and click Open. On this screen, you'll also notice extra options like From Video, V3 Beta, and Original Audio, which let you customize how the animation is generated. If you don't want a watermark on your video, you can also turn the toggle for Remove Watermark on or off. When everything is ready, click on Generate. Now wait a few moments while Viggle AI processes your files. You'll see that your animation is generating. Once it's finished, you can preview the final animation. If you're happy with the result, click on the download icon, choose a folder on your computer, and then click Save. You can also click on Download File from the top right corner to play the video. Now your Viggle AI animation is ready, and you can use it anywhere you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.